Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the charming community of Broad Cove, Newfoundland and Labrador. Nestled on the north shore of Conception Bay, this picturesque village is part of the town known as Small Point Adams Cove Blackhead Broad Cove, a name reflecting the amalgamation of 4 historic fishing settlements. Broad Cove is located approximately 120 kilometers northwest of St. John's, the provincial capital. The area has a rich history dating back to the 18th century. Records indicate that by 1709, settlers like Joseph Parsons and Thomas Moore were residing in nearby Blackhead, suggesting early European habitation. Fishing, particularly for cod and lobster, was the mainstay of the local economy. The area boasts beautiful sandy beaches, perfect for a relaxing day by the sea. For the more adventurous, there are scenic hiking trails connecting Broad Cove Beach to Small Point Beach, offering stunning coastal views. Whether you're interested in history, outdoor activities, or simply soaking in the serene coastal atmosphere, Broad Cove and its surrounding communities offer a delightful experience. Come and discover the unique charm of this coastal gem.
Thanks for watching!